What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar. So I got a question today that I've decided to answer on camera because I keep getting this same question, and it's easier to just answer it, on camera instead of continuously typing it. Maybe I should have copy and pasted every time, but this would be a little bit easier and everybody can get the same answer. So the question was, for a beginner, is it easier to take the capsule form of our CMOS or the raw form of our Radar Plus Nutrition CMOS? So the actual answer to that is, it really depends on the person. It depends on your lifestyle, your needs, your situation. So for the raw CMOS, you have to soak it, rinse it, blend it, and then, once you make the gel, which it's not a hard process. A lot of people think it's harder than it is. On our bags, the preparation is actually on the back of each bag. It's very simple. We also have a video I'll put here where we go through the whole process. It's very, very easy, but people seem to just think it's more difficult than it is, or they just don't want to bother doing it. But once you actually have the gel, then you have to use it within about a month's time, because it does go bad after about 3 to 4 weeks. And you have to either take it by spoon. Some people feel like, oh, I don't like the way it tastes, or I don't like the way it smells because it smells like the ocean and all this. It doesn't really taste like anything, and it has very, very minor smell. But everybody's different. Everybody, feels how they feel. But then, so you either take it by spoon, or you put it in your smoothies, your coffee, or whatever it is that you're putting it in. So that's just that. It just depends on you. Whereas the capsules, you do first have to understand that the capsules have 2 other things in it. So it's not just the Irish sea moss. It also has burdock, and it also has bladderwrack. So, it's going to obviously be a little bit more powerful, a lot more powerful, because it has these 2 other things in it. So you're not just getting direct Irish sea moss, you're getting 2 other superfoods. And obviously with the capsules, you have some people who don't like to swallow pills. Okay. Now, it just makes it more versatile, though, for people who want to take the capsules, because you can just be on the run. You can take it, whereas, you might have to make this in a different way or take it in a different way. And also, if it's just more versatile. If you're on the go, you can just take it real quick as you're running out the door, or you can bring it with you and take it whenever you get a chance. You can keep it in your bag, your car, whatever the case is. So it's just really up to you and your situation, your circumstance, and understanding the difference of the 2. But they are actually 2 different products. So that's something else you have to realize. The raw sea moss is strictly sea moss. And then you can add it to whatever you want to add it to, or again, take it raw by itself, by spoon. The capsules is a different product, because you not only have the Irish sea moss, but you have the burdock root and you have the bladderwrack. So, and what a lot of people are doing right now is they're taking both and they're alternating and figuring it out for themselves. I actually use both, and it depends on what I'm doing. For instance, before I started this video, I had a smoothie, so I put the sea moss gel in the smoothie. On days that I don't make my smoothies, or I'm just, moving around, I take the capsules. So it all depends on you and your situation at the end of the day. I can't really tell you one or the other, do it this way or take this one. I really can't. It depends on you. So you just have to understand how both of them work and make your own decision. I hope that helps. If you want to check out our products, you can go to radarplusnutrition.com and, see more information and make your order. Hope that helps. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit the like button, show your support. Definitely hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time something else pops up on the radar. Stay healthy, people. Salute.